Hello everyone, this is the chart of UBL and let's discuss two charts here. One is UBL and another chart is K Industries. So why I'm choosing these two stocks only I will tell you after the explanation because I see some similarity in these two stocks in terms of price action in monthly and weekly time frames, and these two stocks are performing very well from past few years. So I will tell you what to do and how to keep our stop loss here, and I am expecting a very good move, mostly on the upside, but these are trading at the important levels in weekly and monthly time frames. So if we catch this move, we can catch a very big swing and we can keep our stop loss and very low. So the risk to reward will be very high for us. So we are keeping the risk as one, then we have to we have to take the reward at least 2 to 3, then it will be very good for us. So let's discuss the price action. Let's see the price action, what's happening in the charts. So coming to the first chart, UBL, you can see the price was moving up, but I can't see a very good price action on the upside or the downside. You can see this trend line. I will draw a trend line here. This is one trend line. You can see the touches, right? Wait, I will mark those touches so that you can clearly see those. Actually here we have two touches, so I will mark two touches, no problem for that. And this is the fourth one. So from how many years, this is at 2015, 2018, 2019, and this is 2021, and the first is at 2012. So from past 10 years this trend line was making a resistance of the price. So let's discuss the support also. At the same time, you can see this support, very good price action. We can see from past 10 years the price was moving in this specific range only. It was not going down, it was not giving a breakdown, or it was not giving a breakout also. It was moving in the same range. Whenever the price was moving up to its resistance, it was the sellers were coming here and the price was coming down. See, and again it was taking a support W pattern and it went up. And here you can see, we can draw a trend line like here, and it will give it given a breakout in the COVID fall, and came here again W pattern and gone up. But now we can see the price action here. See, we can see the price action here. I think so many of you know this price action pattern, right? This is called bearish engulfing, and it was in a monthly time frame, so it has some importance, right? I have already said in my past videos also, whenever in the price action, whenever we have to give the like whenever we are seeing price action, and whenever we are observing the price behavior, we have to give more importance to the larger time frames only, like monthly time frame, weekly time frame, or daily time frame, or most sometimes hourly time frame or 4 hour time frame, right? But we have seen a bearish engulfing in a monthly time frame. But you can see here, after this the price was came down, but immediately it rejected back, and the buyers were trying to move the price to the upside. But as of now, the trend line was not given a breakout. So we are observing this chart before only, right? So we can draw the support as this one, right? Wait, I will mark this level so that we can understand clearly. So this will be our major support for next few months or next few years also, right? If it went up, if it went up like this, if it went up like this, see, I will draw the I will draw, just assume that like that. If this is the December candle, right? If this December candle closes like this with a green candle, if this December candle closes here and immediately the January candle comes here like this with a big red candle, then we can short here easily. I'm not expecting this much red candle, but yeah, I just explaining to you so that you know how we have to give, and how we have to give more importance in larger time frames, and how we have to react in the larger time frames and the price action behavior also. So our next plan will be, if if the price closes above this trend line, if the price closes above the trend line and it gives a breakout of this trend line with a very good candle, with a very good green candle, we can expect a very good momentum. I'm not I will observe in weekly charts first. I will observe in next coming 2 to 3 weeks, or else if it consolidates here, no problem for that, because how long it consolidates at resistance, the resistance will be weaker. So I will wait for the trend line breakout. I will wait for the retest also. If it is retesting its trend line again, and if it forms any price action pattern like bullish engulfing, or any chart pattern there like triangle pattern, pennant pattern, anything, any bullish pattern gives a breakout, then I will definitely take an entry position, and I will target for more let's see the target also. uh, my target will be around my target will be around 2200. My target will be 2200. My target will be 2200. That's for fixed. But when I will enter after the trend line breakout, I will enter with some quantity, and after the retest I will wait for the retest also. I most probably don't wait for retest because it is a monthly time frame, and the monthly resistance will be, if it is given a breakout in weekly time frame also, it will be most probably 100%, at like 90% it will work, because it has more importance. I have seen my experience. You can see the charts also, you can see the previous charts also, you can see the chart of Tata Power, Tata Motor, or Tata Steel, I think so. You can see those charts in weekly time frame, and you can see IFL also in weekly time frame or monthly time frame. I will show you the charts also, no problem for that. So you will observe the importance of monthly time frame and weekly time frame. So please keep this stock in your watch list. I think you understand the price action here in UBL. Our stop loss will be, if it gives a breakout, our stop loss will be here. 1590 will be our stop loss. This will be our stop loss, that will be fixed. Okay, no more changes in stop loss. And whenever the price was trading above this level, see, from past 1 year, the price was not given a closing above this level. See how the buyers were strong, how the buyers were dominating above these levels. The buyers were trying to pull this price to upside, right? So this is a very important support zone, 1594 to 1658. It's a very important support zone. If the price gives a breakout above this level, we can keep our stop loss below 1660, or the safe stop loss would be around 1590. No problem for that. And we will enter after the trend line breakout, and our target will be 2200. Okay, this is the first chart. And I think you got some experience about trendline resistance and trendline support at major time frames, not in daily or not in 15 minutes time frame. Those things don't work every time. Those things work for sometimes only. Everyone will explain 15 minutes chart and 1 hour chart. Those things very difficult to manage those. It is very easy in these type of time frames, and it will be less stressful also. So let's discuss the next chart, K Industries. You can see this chart is very different from UBL, but I got a similarity at this point, at this price action from past 2 to 3 years. This price action is very interesting for me, and I think I'm more related to UBL chart also with this price action. You can see after this breakout the price has given a breakout here, and it continuously going up. It was taking a small corrections, not a big corrections. It was taking around I think 5 to 10%, I think so. Yeah, oh, okay, sorry, 25% corrections. No problem, that is very good. And continuously it was going up. The price action is also bullish. And when it comes to here, see here, let's draw a trend line here. See how many of you are can see this trend line, right? This is one trend line, this is one trend line, and this will be the next trend line. This will be the next trend line. See, this is the perfect, right? From this year only. Okay, from this year January, this price was forming in like the price was moving around this range only. Whenever price is at resistance, it was giving, the sellers were coming here and the price was going down, and again every time you can see here one hammer. I think many of you know about hammer pattern also, right? This one is one hammer, this one is one hammer, and you can see the breakout also. You can see the breakout of this with a very good candle here. So whenever the price is coming at support, it was giving the buyers were dominating here. Whenever the price was going at resistance, like trendline resistance, the sellers were dominating every time. From last 10 to 11 months, the price was moving around this range only. No more no more big change in the price action. But now the price was trading above the trend line, and see here, it given a very good closing above this level also. See, I will give more importance to closing. I will give more importance to closing because the closing is always important. The wick is not at all important because in a monthly time frame also, this stock can go to 2000, and in monthly closing it comes below 1500, then it is no longer strong. It will be like just for a trap only. It will be like a seller's trap only. So I will give more importance to closing. No, in lower time frame also, if you want to develop your trading also, give more importance to candle closing. Then only we can, we can sustain in this type of trading or investing anything. Give more importance to candle closing. Okay, and let's go to shorter time frame, that is daily time frame. I will show you one more thing. See, so this is the weekly support, right? 1548. And see here, we can draw like this. Yeah, this is a flag type pattern. How many of you know bullish flag pattern? And after this breakout, the target will be this length of the pole, that is around 20%, right? 20%. So after this breakout, we can keep our targets around 20%. Let's keep our target around 20%, that is around 2000, 1950. Let's keep 1950 as our target. This will be our target, first target. But remember, enter this stock after the breakout only. Don't enter now. If anybody entered here, keep your stop loss at this level. No more change in stop loss. Okay, no more change in stop loss. Our stop loss will be 1490. That's it. If anyone entered here and KI Industries, our stop loss will be 1490 only. No more changes in that. But who are waiting for this breakout of this flag pattern, and the price is closing above this trendline resistance, then our stop loss would be this level 1548, below 1548. Okay, let's take 1530 or 1500. That's it. No more change in our stop loss, and our targets, main target will be 1950 only. Because see, whenever the price gives a breakout of the range, there are so many types of ranges, right? This range, like descending channel, ascending channel, or the the normal ranges like this. you know Whenever the price is moving around support and resistance, we have seen in so many videos also. I have explained in so many videos in my past videos also, whenever the price gives a breakout at this level. So these are, there are so many types of ranges, right? So whenever the price gives a breakout of the range, and we are observing in very important time frame, right? We are not observing in very shorter time frame, we are observing in weekly time frame, monthly time frame, and daily time frame. So the importance of price action and the probability of price action will be more. So this is a very good chart. These two are very good charts, UBL and K Industries. And in my channel, I have explained so many charts. You can see here. Right, I will show you. I will show you one of the important thing. Yeah, my first video. My first video. This is also very good video. You can see here about RCF, Rashtriya Chemical and Fertilizers. After 12 years, the price has given a breakout, right? You can see why the price has given a breakout, and how the buyers were strong at resistance also. You have to see the chart, you have to observe the chart, you have to find the probability of winning in larger time frame, then our success rate will be also more. Okay, please do watch my last few videos on Ultratech Cement. I think there are 8 to 9 videos, I think so. Every video I've seen in monthly chart or weekly chart only. And every video I have seen for swing trading, because swing trading gives us more probability than intraday trading. Okay, and the larger larger time frames will give us more probability of winning than shorter time frame only. Okay, give more importance to larger time frame, and monthly closing, weekly closing, and the candle closing. And try to, try to find these type of channels, and or these type of support and resistance. So these type of things will give us more probability of winning. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do watch my previous videos and understand the price action behavior, and importance of trend line, importance of support and resistance, importance of candle closing. Thank you for watching.